Today we have a video from Transparency Body Cam, and the title of the video is Drunk Girl Arrested After Giving a Fake Name. Uh-oh.
I just need your information, and you're on your way, okay?
I actually don't have my ID on me.
I know, so I'm going to take your name. I have to give you a ticket. Right now you're being detained. It'll just be a few minutes, okay? It's for the
I
open
actually
container.
don't have my ID on me.
So yeah, we're just going to get your name. And then you're on your way. You're not free to leave.
I'm not drinking that.
I know, but you had it in your hands.
I'm holding it for my mom. I'm actually bringing it to her down that way.
You are not allowed to possess an open container in public in Seattle City.
Okay, I didn't know that.
So you are going to receive a ticket, and you're on your way.
Okay.
So give this officer your name, and we'll write you a ticket, and then you're on your way. It'll just be a few minutes. You want to write this one? I'll just take it over. Yeah, I can write it. Oops, sorry. Just get her name. First name?
Megan. Oh, 22. Oh, 5.
Damn, what, they don't believe in audio in these body cams? What's going on here?
Do you want it or do you want me to? You got your book out, go ahead. 10:15, County. Will you slow your radio?
Sample County.
I'll be able to find container violation. What's going on, man? How you doing? Chill.
What?
The state you live in?
Pennsylvania.
Okay. Do you have a middle initial?
J.
J. This is your real name?
Yeah. Nudes.
Well, you'd be surprised.
Really?
Oh, yeah. A lot of people get a state.
Sorry, I didn't mean to laugh.
No. Alright, really good.
You will look up my name.
I actually thought you guys were kidding. What?
Nah, unfortunately, this is our job. Were you in OD?
What?
Were you in OD?
No, I was literally walking to the store.
I was gonna say.
I was actually carrying that for my mom. I wasn't even drinking it.
Well, whoever would have been carrying it would have gotten the ticket. So.
I didn't realize that wasn't
That's okay.
legal here.
It's not.
I go to school in Louisiana, and it's a open container law there. Didn't realize. My apologies.
It's all good. Okay. Now I'm gonna write you a ticket, and then you're on your way.
Okay.
It's this long. It might take a little bit. There's a lot of boxes to fill out. Just give us 5 minutes. You'll be on your way.
Sorry, guys.
It's all good.
No, I actually am sorry. I go to school in Louisiana,
Don't worry about it.
and
doing your service, sir.
Thank you. Have a good night, man.
Thank you for doing your service.
is he serious?
All right.
No, I'm so serious. Like, open container law is not a thing there.
It is here.
It's a city ordinance.
Well, it's not. Like, I didn't realize. I'm so
You
sorry.
hear that a lot, especially from Pennsylvania.
No, I really am so sorry. I go
No,
to school in
It's
Louisiana.
all good.
Like,
It's not a big deal. Trust me. What's your home address? Since you don't have your ID, you're going to like tell me all your information.
do you want me to write it?
No. Just tell us
What are you asking for?
your home address for the ticket.
Yeah, she's sitting.
I don't know, man. She going out drinking and don't have an ID on her? How the hell is she getting drinks in the bars?
You've never worn a design shirt in your life. What? Pattern shirt. Only that. Steve. Just kidding. Love you.
See, you're not the only one.
My boys, my boys.
You're not the only one.
What happened? What happened? You switched corners? Come on,
girl.
you got hurt too?
Literally
No
just,
way.
it's not your fault. It's not
No open containers here in
just
Louisiana.
run.
Do you know what?
Tell her to
No,
run.
do you know what? I go to school in Louisiana. Open containers are allowed. I didn't fucking know.
Oh, give him exercise run. Just dip right
Did you know? No, that's not right. But did you
Dip
know?
out.
Did you know?
Run.
Listen to me. Did you know? If you fucking go to Louisiana, they allow open containers.
Yeah, we're
I'm
good.
serious. I fucking lived there.
What's your date of birth?
I just got a ticket too.
Her date of birth?
I gotta finish writing this.
Her date of birth is
Have a good night, guys.
1890.
Bye, girl.
September 11th.
Apparently.
Drunk people.
Just give me a few more minutes of getting there. Your
You're
email
fine.
address for the court.
My email address?
And your license is out of Pennsylvania? Your
Yeah.
Oh, I think he just got that info back. That ain't adding up. He just got that info back. He said, your license out of PA?
I'm really sorry, sir, to put you through this. I really didn't know. No, I really didn't know. Cause like I go to school in Louisiana and they have like a complete open container is allowed rule.
You're not putting us through anything.
So like I didn't know.
How'd you get into the bar without an ID there?
I wasn't in there. No. I was literally walking from my house to Wawa.
I was gonna say, were you in a bar with
And I didn't know that open container wasn't allowed because I go to school down south in Louisiana and they allow open containers. Like I didn't know.
County. 10-15-68. Not finding a deal under that name.
What?
Is that not your name?
What?
Let me see. Stand up. What's your name?
Emily?
You said Megan.
Yeah, why'd you lie?
No, I didn't. I said I was carrying a container for my mom, Megan.
No, you didn't say that.
You said your name was Megan.
Yeah, but we're asking for
no.
your name.
So
What?
she said her name was Megan at first, and now she's Emily.
No. My mom's name is Megan. You
But
said
we
what
asked you for your information.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
Yeah,
I didn't understand that. My mom's name is Megan. My information is
The
Emily.
drink was in your hand. That's why we're asking for your information.
Oh, okay. Do you want to change it?
So
Nah, you going to jail. Do you want it? That info just came back. Do. Oh, you know how they go on the radio? Yeah, this shit ain't adding up. That's how they tell them on the radio. Yeah, this shit ain't adding up, man. Could you imagine if like dispatchers and stuff actually talked like that? Like that'd be crazy. Sending that call. Yeah. That name ain't adding up, man. Get her together.
do you live at the same address?
Yeah. We live together. I still live with my parents.
So why would you give your mom's information?
Because I thought you were asking. I thought you
No,
were
this
asking who the
ticket is
drink's
for you.
for. Oh, that's fine.
Not
That's
your
fine.
mom.
That's fine. You can change. It's literally just the first name is changed. I'm sorry. I didn't understand. I didn't even know.
What's your middle initial?
Gave the wrong middle initial and everything.
No, I did not
You're
understand that
done.
you were asking. I'm sorry. I thought you were asking for the.
So she
I thought you were asking for my mom's name.
gave her mom's number.
How old are you?
Sorry.
How old are you?
18.
Okay.
But I was bringing the drink to her. Like, I thought you were asking who the drink was for. You can take my info down. That's completely fine.
She has no idea.
Where is your driver's license?
At the house.
Where's the house?
47th, I think.
47th.
Like 5 blocks down.
Alright. You got your notepad. Take her information down.
No, you can. Yeah, you can take. It's literally the same information.
I might have to void the ticket, right?
I'm sorry, I
you can just
didn't
write it
realize that. I thought you were asking for my mom's info because that's
start
where
on a new one.
her drink was going.
What's your name?
Emily.
originally you said 01. You're not born in 01, you're 18.
No, my mom.
Your mom's not born in 01 either.
Oh yeah, she's.
All right, my
You gave us
mistake,
your
my
birthday,
mistake.
though. Yeah. Give me that.
Turn around, put your hands behind your back. You listen. You playing too many games. I feel like the officers was gonna let the first one slide. Okay, they gave the information. All right, maybe you gave the wrong first name. Okay, we're gonna let that slide, man. We're gonna let that slide. That's what it seemed like. We're just gonna avoid the ticket. We got a new one. Cool. All the other information should be the same, right? Date of birth is wrong. You saying it's for your mom, but your mom born in 01? Like, wait, hold on. What? So you 18 and your mom is in her 20s? 01, her mom will be, what, it's 2025? 01? 24 years old? And you the daughter that's 18? Come on, man. Cops, you know, this guy, he was probably born that night, but not last night.
Fake birthday.
Right, no, I'm not giving fake information. I just really, I don't know my mom's information. I'm not
But
giving
your mom's not born in 2001 either. So this is all your mom's info? Your mom's not born in 2001?
You gave us like all scattered out info.
I'm not giving fake info. I just
Honestly, it's like perfect.
Just stay right here.
The line is so much shorter now.
All right, well,
I'm really not giving, I'm not trying to give you guys fake info. I just,
you said you were born in 01 to make it look like you were 21. That's why.
no. 01 is what, 24 now?
Yeah. 05 is.
20. I'm 20.
You just said you were 18.
No. I'm 20.
Do you have anything to drink tonight?
No. I'm 20.
That's
You're not making sense at all.
All right. Sir, I am sorry. I'm not trying to disrespect you guys at all.
Yeah, no, it's just everything that you're saying, nothing's lining up.
All right. Jump.
We just need your real information, and you'll be on your way.
We're actually going to get at the station.
If you guys want to walk,
Put your hands behind your back.
are you being serious?
Hindering
For what?
Gotcha. We're giving fake information.
I'm not giving you fake information. If you guys want to walk back to my house, we can. I have my ID there. Are you being serious?
Come with us to the car.
Are you being serious? I'm not even nothing.
Something so stupid. Could have been on your way. But she giving fake stuff because she's probably underage. That's
Yes. Do you have anything in your pockets?
No.
she thinks she could just tell the cops some BS and it's not gonna come back.
Alright. I can't see nothing, so we're not gonna do the search. But you step back for 1 second. We're gonna bring you in on this side. You're gonna ride back with me, so we're gonna go on this side. You can hop on in.
What?
Take a seat in there.
Have a seat in
And
there.
then I'm just going to put the
Like
seatbelt
the
on.
seatbelt like that?
Yeah, that's how you're supposed to get in.
She got no
You want
shoes.
to ride back with me? You want to just meet me back there then?
Simple ticket, man.
1065 County.
1055.
Going to be transporting 119, starting mileage 50554.
Copy.
Can I ask you a question?
Yes,
Where are we going?
to the police station.
Yeah, but in Seattle?
That's correct.
It's a quiet ride. No music. They ain't talking. Nothing. No way they just got it.
This is John. This is John F. Kennedy Boulevard. 1065 the county. We're going to be arriving 19, ending mileage is the same.
I wonder if they're gonna tell us how much it really is. Damn, that's it? What the hell? All right, man. This is whatever. Yeah, this is something really simple, but she decided to play games, you know what I'm saying? So play stupid games, you win stupid prizes. And shit don't make no sense, man. If you would like to support the channel, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Also, hype the video. YouTube has a new feature where you can hype the video. Helps it gets pushed out into the algorithm. Those are all free things to do. If you're looking for some paid options, you can also send a super thanks, super sticker, or look in the description for our YouTube membership and our Patreon link. And I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you. Your support is greatly appreciated.